because it's time for planting. We prepared to plant our plants because in the summer we will plant this, and I will help mama to raise this one. And now I will put water, spring water for them. Mama.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would, I would.
So I'm already done this part until here, and I will spring water this side.
If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Onion right there, it's all tomatoes. This one too, tomatoes, and yeah, it's different kind of tomatoes. This one, tomatoes too.
If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Let's close this. Look, it's so beautiful. Papa Kolia with his tractor. They are still small. So beautiful. Flowers here, so beautiful. They use this tractor here to do like this, ready for planting in the soil. Vladimir and Mama. Бейбушка. Ау.
Сейчас нормально.
Мама.
Не хулигань. Давай.
What should I do, Бейбушка?
Что я делаю?
Отдыхать.
Just rest.
Почему? Because I already done.
Все, закончила.
Молодец, спасибо.
Пожалуйста, ма.
Вов, и вот еще прикопай ко мне. Видишь? Здесь, видишь, они корни дали. Еще. Сейчас еще поднимется. И кидай, кидай сюда. Ага. О. Ой. Так, слава богу.
What's this?
Berries.
Berries.
Да, что это такое?
Где? Смородина черная.
Смородина.
Hmm?
I don't know. Black. I don't know. Blackberries.
Blackberries.
Вов,
Оу.
можно
Оу.
вот тут выкопать ямку?
Да.
Вот тут. Вот тут.
Oh.
А как ты будешь сюда проходить, мне интересно?
Тогда
You're Filipino
А
already.
как ты клюешь?
клюв, мгновенно кладу.
You're Filipino.
Дани.
Ganun.
А,
Oo.
сиги.
Sige. He answered Mama, oo.
Ежели.
Yes.